I'm Andrew Petrowski with No Limit Construction and Property Management. Today we are outside this historic home in a neighborhood in Kansas City called Brookside. Brookside's an awesome, vibrant area just east of the plaza. A lot of shops, stores, great tight-knit community for families. Let's go in and take a look at this house we'll be renovating to put back on the market. All right, we are standing in the foyer of this beautiful 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath home. Let me show you around. Right now we're standing in the living room. You can see on the living room we have a lot of the original crown work, trim work around the windows, around the doors. We're gonna keep with this look and keep it consistent throughout the house. We have the oversized baseboards, highly decorative door casing, and then we come into the kitchen. We're gonna try to keep that same look, but we're gonna freshen it up with all new cabinets and more updated appliances and solid surfaces. This area is definitely gonna be the showpiece of this whole home when it's all said and done. On the staircase here, this is all original from when the house was built. So for us to keep this the same is definitely important to us, and I think it's going to be important to the next homeowner. So there's going to take a lot of time and effort for the guys to go ahead and sand this down and completely remake it to the way it was back in the early 1900s. All right guys, so we are upstairs in the upstairs hallway. Let's go take a look at the bedroom and see what they have going in here. In the master bedroom, it boasts 2 very large walk-in closets that you can see. A lot of room for a house this size on the closet. And then we go into a nice sized master bathroom. You're gonna have a nice huge walk-in shower and a his and her double vanity with another walk-in closet. Definitely a lot of space for a master suite. All right guys, so that's it for phase 1. We're really excited to get jumping on this house. We're gonna have a lot of stuff going over the next few weeks. We're really excited to take some of these old elements and bring them up to 2018 standards. You guys got to follow and got to stay tuned. This house is gonna be something to see. See you next time, guys.